Why do I not see the definition that I want in my midsection? I never thought I would really like doing this shit, but I love giving you all information at this point. So we're gonna start off with abs. Keep it real simple. Like I tell y'all, every time I come to the gym, I personally like to start off with abs. Well, not every time, but majority of the time for the most part. We are gonna do upper body today because I did actually do legs yesterday. So we're gonna keep it simple with this. So do me a favor and understand this too. You can do all the ab workouts in the world. We had this conversation before, but do understand that definition within the midsection, the stomach, the ab come from reducing the body fat. I understand y'all keep thinking you wanna lose weight, but ideally what you wanna do is you wanna reduce body fat, not just lose weight. So you still wanna lose weight, but losing weight isn't going to be the end all be all that's gonna give you that definition or that reduction that you're looking for in the midsection. So do me a favor and do your due diligence and understand where your body fat percentage is. So I keep telling y'all, don't focus on just understanding what your weight is, because you can be a particular weight and not look as defined as you were before. And I think some of us, when we think about 16, 20s, 30s, sometimes early 40s, when it comes down to being in great shape, we may not realize that, okay, we were in this particular weight, but ideally, the reason why we look the way we look wasn't just because of weight. It was also because where our body fat percentage was. So be very, very understanding to that. Let's get back to it. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna keep it simple, try and be in and out today. Also be very understanding, because this happened to me. You can be at a low body fat percentage, but if you're not training core enough, meaning giving it those exercises like you training arms, like you training triceps, like you training back, like you training chest, do understand you will fall short of aesthetics as well. I used to practice and preach this all the time. When I use heavy weight, from overhead shoulder press to bench press to weighted pull-ups, these things already engage my core, which is true. But if you're somebody that's chasing those washboard abs, with all that definition, it's two things you need to focus on. You need to be training core at least 3 to 4 times a week, believe it or not. And you can keep it simple with that 3 to 4 times a week. I give you some exercise if you need some. But also do be mindful that you need to be in a low body fat percentage. Like I said, you can lose that 30 pounds, and I've seen it numerous amount of times. A person will lose 30, maybe even 50 sometimes. And they're like, why do I not see the definition that I want in my midsection? It's because you've yet to reduce the body fat. And this is why I keep telling y'all, don't focus solely on just cardio and abs at the end of the day, because you're only gonna get some way there. Not all the way there, some way there, because do understand, like I said, cardio and abs are gonna be important.